Do you find yourself constantly distracted by notifications, toolbars, and the endless formatting options in Word? Focus Mode strips away everything but your words and ideas, creating a clean, distraction-free environment that can boost your productivity. In this quick tip, I show you how you can start using Focus Mode today. In today's digital environment, distractions are everywhere. Email notifications, social media, and even the numerous buttons and options within Word itself can pull your attention away from writing. Many writers struggle to maintain concentration when faced with a cluttered interface full of tools that they don't need at the moment. This constant context switching interrupts creative flow and reduces productivity. Today I'm going to show you how to use Word's Focus Mode to create a clean, distraction-free writing environment that helps you concentrate on your content, maintain your creative flow, and produce better documents more efficiently. Let's start by looking at what Focus Mode is and how to access it. I have a document open here on the screen that we'll use to demonstrate. Focus Mode is designed to minimize distractions by hiding most of the Word interface, leaving you with just your document against a clean background. There are two ways to enter Focus Mode. First, you can jump over to the View tab of the ribbon if you want to, and just click on the Focus Mode tool right here. An easier way, though, is to simply click the Focus Mode tool that's right down here near the right side of the status bar. If I click on that, then Word puts me into Focus Mode. When you enter Focus Mode, you'll notice that there's nothing between you and the text of your document. This allows you to, focus. This mode is obviously great for reading, but it is also helpful when you're trying to edit your document and focus just on the words in front of you. Notice that the ribbon, status bar, and all toolbars are gone and that your document is centered on the screen. Also, other task panes are automatically closed when you enter Focus Mode. The only thing that remains is your document and the rulers. Focus Mode uses the same zoom level that you were using before you entered the mode, and that zoom level will affect how wide the document appears on your screen. Also, Focus Mode automatically uses the entire screen, which hides anything else on your desktop or any windows that may have been used by other programs. Now that we're in Focus Mode, let's explore how to work effectively in this environment. You can edit within the document by using techniques you're already familiar with. Just position your insertion point and begin typing or editing like you normally would. Even though the ribbon and status bar are hidden, you can still have access to them. Notice the bar with 3 dots here at the top of the screen. All you need to do is move the mouse pointer anywhere within this bar up here, and all of a sudden, the ribbon is available. Notice that the status bar is also available at the bottom of the screen. When you're done with either of these things, you can again hide them by clicking anywhere that you want to within your document. When you're done using Focus Mode, the easiest way to return to normal use of Word is to press the Escape key. Focus Mode is a powerful tool for anyone who wants to work with a document with fewer distractions. By temporarily hiding the complex interface elements of Word, Focus Mode creates a clean, immersive environment that helps you concentrate on your content and maintain your creative flow. Give it a try the next time you need to concentrate on your reading or writing, and you might be surprised at how much more efficiently you can work when the distractions fade away. I hope you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.